Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to log into DBS Mobile Banking account. For that, first of all, you have to launch DBS DZ Bank application on your device. Once the application is opened, on the home page you will see two options, that is sign up for DZ Bank and log in. Simply select and tap login option. Then your login page will be open. You just have to fill out this form to log into your account. Either you can use your user ID or PIN to log into your account, or you can also use your Face ID to log in. For now, we are using user ID and PIN option. Simply type your user ID at first, then enter your PIN. If you do not remember your user ID or PIN, you can just tap on forget user ID or PIN option available there. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, simply tap on login button to log into your account. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.